Hello guys and welcome back to ShowZone. In today's video, we'll discuss why ShowZone crypto prices are going to skyrocket soon. Let's head right into it. Higher prices? Bitcoin has had a rough start to the year, but industry insiders continue to predict that its price will reach $100,000. They say it's more of a question of when than whether this will happen. After having difficulty surpassing $25,000 over the course of the past few days, which is proving to be a major level of resistance, the price of Bitcoin moved closer to $23,000 on Wednesday after falling further. Last week's numbers on inflation were released, and they came in lower than predicted. As a result, the stock market and cryptocurrency markets soared. The Federal Reserve, which has been increasing interest rates in an effort to bring down inflation, was relieved of some of the pressure that it had been under as a result. The cryptocurrency market may not be out of the danger zone just yet, despite the fact that Bitcoin has recently been exhibiting some signals that it is stabilizing according to experts. During the past few months, Bitcoin's price has dropped below zero numerous times, which is a significant price threshold. According to him, the majority of the crypto space is still skeptical of the Bitcoin rebound that started in mid-June. As a result of growing inflation, a wobbly stock market, and rising interest rates, many investors are feeling negative about the economy, which contributed to the crash of the cryptocurrency market in June. The crisis was triggered by a sudden de-risking from Wall Street. In recent months, there have been a growing correlation between the cryptocurrency market and the stock market, which has further strengthened the sector's ties to many aspects of the global economy. According to the opinions of various analysts, the fact that there is no sign of an end to the war, inflation, and altering monetary policy in the United States will likely continue to create additional volatility in the coming weeks and months. Bitcoin's price has only been higher than $45,000 for a handful of brief periods during the past 6 months, and it hasn't been higher than $50,000 since the 25th of December 2021. The present price of Bitcoin is quite a distance away from the recent all-time high it reached in November when it soared over $68,000. This occurred despite the fact that the price has been going up and down. But despite the most recent drop in price, Bitcoin is still more than twice as valuable as it was just a couple of years ago. This is despite the fact that the price has fallen recently. The cryptocurrency known as Bitcoin is very accustomed to having price swings like these. Even though Bitcoin's price has been volatile recently and has had a recent fall, many industry experts continue to believe that the cryptocurrency is on its way to surpassing the $100,000 barrier. However, perspectives on exactly when this will occur differ widely. A recent survey conducted by Deutsche Bank indicated that almost 1/4 of Bitcoin investors anticipate that the price of Bitcoin would be greater than $110,000 during the next 5 years. When it comes to investing a portion of their portfolio in cryptocurrencies, experts advise new investors to proceed with extreme caution due to the market's historically high volatility. This volatility has been around for quite some time. Bitcoin's value has increased throughout the years in a manner that is comparable to that of every other cryptocurrency now available on the market. Bitcoin investors have every right to be inquisitive about how high the cryptocurrency's price is capable of going in the long run. Regrettably, the price of Bitcoin is notoriously difficult to forecast and is far more sensitive to changes in market conditions than more traditional asset classes. Price predictions. Coming off its most recent all-time high in November, it seemed easy to forecast that the price of Bitcoin would reach $100,000 by the end of the previous year. Since then, Bitcoin has experienced a significant decline, which makes playing the prediction game much more difficult. Some of the most outspoken crypto skeptics predict that Bitcoin's price will drop to as low as $10,000 in 2022. However, a more reasonable viewpoint might be that the cryptocurrency could still climb to $100,000, as many specialists predicted toward the end of last year, albeit on a slower timeline. But now that huge corporations like Nike and other major brands are looking into ways to monetize their products in the digital metaverse, bullish industry experts are rethinking the crypto sector as a whole. The growing popularity of alternative cryptocurrencies as a result of the proliferation of metaverse games, worlds, businesses, and experiences is causing a shift in investors' attitudes toward Bitcoin, known as the original crypto. Many industry professionals are hesitant to make a specific prediction regarding a figure and a date, preferring to point to the trend of Bitcoin's value increasing over time. Bitcoin's long-term worth is expected to climb fairly sustainably due to organic market activity, and the $100,000 price level is getting close. Investors should prepare themselves for this development. Consequently, you should purchase right away. What do you think about the price future of Bitcoin? Will it rise soon? Let us know in the comment section down below. But that's all the time we have for you guys today though, so thank you all for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, then be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't already, for more awesome content like this and much more. We'll see you guys next time, but until then, take care and goodbye.